Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Connecting Java to SQL databases is a common task in software development, and it usually involves using jdbc, Java Database Connectivity. Below is a tutorial that covers the essentials of connecting Java to an SQL database, executing queries, and handling results. #tutorial, connecting Java to an SQL database using jdbc. #prerequisites. 1 Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have Java installed. You can download it from Oracle's website, https://www.oracle.com/java/technologies/java-z-jdk11-downloads.html, or use OpenJDK. 2 SQL Database, you can use any SQL database like mysql, postgresql, sqlite, etc. For this tutorial, we will use mysql. 3 JDBC driver, ensure that you have the JDBC driver for your database. For mysql, you can download the mysql connector/j from mysql's official site, https://dev.mysql.com/download/connector/j. Step 1, setting up your environment. 1. Place the jdbc driver.jar file in your project's class path. If you're using an IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA, you can add the .jar file as a library in your project settings. 2. Create a new Java project. Step 2, establishing a database connection. Here's how you can connect to a MySQL database. Step 3, executing SQL queries. Once you have a connection, you can execute SQL queries. Below is an example of inserting and retrieving data from a table. Step 4, creating the database and table. Before running the above code, ensure you have a database named mydatabase and a table named users with the following structure. Summary. In this tutorial, you learned how to 1. Set up a Java project to connect to an SQL database using JDBC. 2. Establish a connection to the database. 3. Execute SQL commands to insert and retrieve data. Additional tips. Always close your database connections to avoid memory leaks. Use prepared statements to prevent SQL injection attacks. Consider using connection pooling for better performance in real-world applications. This should give you a solid foundation to start working with Java and SQL databases using JDBC. Happy coding!